the game doesn't feel right, looks right, it won't play right. So this is why picking the right monitor is almost the most important part. So today we're going for a quick overview of AW2521HF or HFA or HF, whatever. So let's see what is inside of this nice box of AW2521FHA Full HD 1080p gaming monitor with 25-inch screen, IPS panel. This monitor is 240Hz and support G-Sync and FreeSync. Also, that is not option because it doesn't really have any benefit for you. And the most of material of this monitor is plastic. Even the cover of the base, I expected that those be metal, steel or aluminum, but they just got a plastic cover on. Anyway, the looks is really great. On the top of the arm, you got 4 pins that they getting power from your monitor for the RGB lights on the back. The adjustability of this monitor is really great. You got tilt, rotate, you can move your screen upward, downward, left and right. So anyway, if you wanna pick a great gaming monitor, in the profile of your monitor should be some important things that I'm telling you. First of all, G-Sync and 1440p resolution would be the best resolution for you. If you played Full HD before, you can play with this. Also, if you played before 2K like me, you can't really play with this monitor in some game like Call of Duty, so you should think about that. And if you're going for a Full HD monitor, should be 25 or 24, not 27 or bigger. 1 millisecond response time and 144 Hz at least, and the size should be maximum 27 and minimum 24. 23.8 is also include of 24, so 24 till 27 is the best gaming monitor size. I really like 25, but I got 27. I just bought the AOC 24 inch also, that I'm uploading the overview or review in the next month. So the cable management of this monitor is almost really great, but the things is when you plug in the HDMI display or power cable, the place is really tight behind of your monitor, so you cannot easily plug your cable. They don't have really enough space. And the big RGB on the base of this monitor doesn't make shine the wall behind of the monitor, and the front logo is also really big and ugly, what I didn't expect from this monitor. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I did some tests also with Blue Booster on this monitor and my OMX 27 with different refresh rate and resolution. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the content. It helps me to improve my content in future. Till next one.
lost him.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Fight is not over.
Taking direct fire! Shooting at me!
Oi, don't!
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Hostiles in the area.